Hello, and welcome back to Jamalon.
Hold on. Welcome back to Jamalon. James, we've got 1,000 subscribers. No one knows who the hell we are.
Alright, let's rewind a second. Hello, I'm James, this is Jake, and this is Paul. Three mates who decided far too late in life to start a YouTube channel. Searching out adventures around the world, which never quite seemed to go as planned.
God, ow! Have you found it?
A little accident.
Something between us! Are you okay, Jake?
We kicked things off early this year with our first mini-series, driving Scotland's North Coast 500 in a tiny van in the middle of winter. And aside from a few small hiccups along the way, things went pretty smoothly. But it left us thinking. It may not feel like it right now, but the world is getting smaller. Places that were once hidden gems are fast becoming tourist traps. Although we're lucky to live in an age where we can visit faraway places at the click of a button, it's sad to think that the bygone era of the pioneering explorers might truly be behind us. So we asked ourselves, could we, three everyday chaps, find a unique adventure in a world where every path seems so well trodden? To find out, Paul and I hop on a plane and venture east to Vietnam, a country fast becoming one of the most popular travel destinations in Asia. Our 12-day quest takes us hundreds of miles around the country as we immerse ourselves in the local culture.
Cheers!
And explore far and wide in search of new experiences. From the floating fishing villages in Halong Bay to the rural mountain landscapes in the north. We go through tunnels, caves, up waterfalls, over mountain passes, and even under the sea. All the while maintaining our impeccable Jamalon reputation for seamless, problem-free, well-organised travel.
We've got here, no one speaks English.
Oh yeah. I think my bike key fell out my pocket.
Oh no.
What is going on here?
I don't know how we're gonna get across there.
So buckle up and get ready for another season of chaos,
Holy shit.
calamity, and immature comedy. Welcome to the Jamalon Vietnam series.
I've never been so happy to be back in Vietnam. I need to get the hell out of there.
How was that? Was that better?
That'll do, James. That'll do.